Let us solve this problem. 2 raised to the power 200. You can reduce this to something like 2 raised to the power 100 times 2 equals to x to the power x. So, look at the right hand side. The base and the power are the same. If you can manipulate this and you get a number in which the base and the power are the same, then you are done. So let us keep on manipulating the left hand side to achieve that our aim. So we have 2, this one is like 100 times root 2, which is equals to x to the power x. We don't have a problem here. So this one now could be written as 2 raised to the power 10 root 2 equals to x power x. Because the root of 100 is 10, and this 10 multiplied root 2 will give us this. We have root 2 here. Can we make this 2 to have root 2? Yes, we can. So we can write it as root 2 or square it. Because 2 square is still 2. All over the power is 10 root 2 equals to x to the power x. So you can multiply this power by this 2. What you get here will be root 2 to the power of 20 root 2. Everything equals to x to the power x. Let us break this one further. So if I have root 2 to the power of 5 times 2 and equals to x to the power x. So we can break this one to something like root 2 to the power of 5 and power of 4 root 2. This place is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Sorry. And it equals to x to the power x. So if you look up this 4 2 root 2 to the power 5 could be written as 4 root 2. Let me explain. Root 2 to the power 5 means root 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So root 2 times root 2 is 2. Root 2 times root 2 times 2 and times 2. 2 times 2, 4 root 2. And the power here is also 4 root 2. Everything equals to x to the power x. So we have achieved that. The base is x and the power is still this. That's means x is equals to 4 root 2. And this is the answer we're looking for.